So what we got here is one of buck boost converters, a ZK-4KX modules that are installed into this 3D printed housing. So the files for this are on Thingiverse. So what's inside is just a connection to that barrel socket over there like that. I'm powering this from wall wart, then the connection to these binding posts. Now, besides being able to run this off a 2M 12-watt wall wart, which will give us anything from 0 to 30 volts out, you can also, in a pinch, run this off a rechargeable PP3 like so, which is very useful if you're just using it as a voltage reference. That is, if you need a bit more power, then you go to the wall wart like so, which provides 24 watts, and you can draw a bit of current. So it's 24 volts, you'll be able to get close to an amp. So this works fairly well. If you bring in the multimeter, stick that in there. Yes, it falls over. These things happen. So there we have it, 5 volts. Very good. So now you want to change that. That's 10 volts. Here is 100 millivolts. Now, this is a very cheap little setup. This is, this little device over here is $15. They're really cheap. So this is a budget setup, but useful if you're wanting to just have a little power supply on your bench, which takes up very little space, and it's a nice little enclosure. Printed feet, there's 2 screws that hold it closed, like so. It can sit there. Easy to 3D print this little enclosure and pop this in, fit those, that, so you need the 4 components, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you need some supply, which in a pinch can be this or a wall wart, and you got yourself a little adjustable bench power supply, which is very useful. So that's it. Just want to share with you what I created today, which is this. Come out very nice. So ladies and gentlemen, take care, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.